Hello, welcome to this channel. Nature is not only a beautiful backdrop in our lives. It provides peace and inspiration to those who pay attention. Today we're going to talk about how the elements of nature can inspire a deeper sense of gratitude. Let's get started. First, earth represents grounding. When we feel stressed out and overwhelmed, let the ground remind us that we are supported. Trees are deeply rooted and stand tall, and this should inspire us to be grateful for the stability in our lives. Second, water. Water represents flow and adaptability. Water flows around obstacles, and it should inspire us to be adaptive and flow around obstacles in our life. Whenever challenges present themselves in our lives, we should be inspired to be like water and be grateful for it. Air. Air represents freedom and perspective. Just like a summer breeze gives clears our thoughts, we also should be reminded that we have the freedom of movement, speech, and thought, and take inspiration from air to be grateful about it. Fire. Number 4 is fire. Fire represents passion and rebirth. Fire represents passion and rebirth through destruction. As such, we should be reminded of the passions in our lives and treat moments of distraction and moments of very high activity and high destructive forces, like possibly a job loss or something similar, as moments to have a new beginning and to have a rebirth in our lives. And we should be inspired by fire that gives us light, that gives us warmth, and also gives us this moment of rebirth. And finally, space. Space reminds us of infinite possibilities. When we look at the sky, the stars, the moon, and imagine the vastness of the surrounding space, this reminds us of infinite possibilities. And as such, we should always look for more possibilities, more opportunities around us and on this world. So let the earth ground you, the water give you flow and adaptivity, the air teach us about perspectives, the fire provide the passion and rebirth, and then the space provide you with inspiration for more possibilities. Let's be grateful for all these inspirations that the elements of nature provide us if we pay attention. So today, step outside and pay attention to one or more elements of nature. Please share in the comments what it inspired you to be grateful for. And also, as a reminder, step inside the Facebook group that I provide the link to in the comments. And there's a tiny homework on the subject as well. And I'm looking forward to what insights you arrive to as a result of doing that short activity. And don't forget to like and subscribe to have more inspirations and grow more, and let's support each other together.